Guys, it's on this hot bowl of soup. It tastes so good. I made this a long time ago and left it in the fridge, but it's still yummy, still spicy. I'm going to eat my pepper soup before I prepare for work and head out to work. Hi my loves, welcome back to a brand new vlog. I literally just finished talking for 5 minutes and I realized that the vlog was not filming. I am so sad, but yeah, the weather is getting very dark. I need to film this vlog before the lighting goes. In this vlog, remember I told you guys that we're going to do a lot of maintenance and I also am going on a trip, so yeah, I'll be dragging you guys along with me. But first of all, I just came up from my nail appointment. I did this pepper red nails. I found a nail tech on TikTok and I went to try her for the first time and I really think she did a very good job. The only thing is I think the nails are too long. I wish it was shorter. I'm sure she'll be surprised because literally we're debating on the size and I did not know it was going to come out like this. But it's the size and everything. I think it's okay. I feel like it's still too long. It's not really my thing, but yeah, I washed my hair yesterday, and my siblings have been telling me that I really should stop making my hair all the time because we ended the last vlog where I loosened the sewing I did, the Tyler braids, and I did not like it. And it's not really my hairstylist's fault. Literally, she did a very good job, but I think that I need to, maybe either the hairstyle is not for my face frame or structure, or like I need to find someone else to do the hair for me, something like that. But yeah, I'm going to try that in another place, obviously. But she felt bad about the entire thing because the boho braids, I did not like it like that. And then this sewing, so she was not happy. And she asked me to come in tomorrow for a free hair appointment. I want to do a sewing too, but you'll see, you'll see. So I have a hair appointment tomorrow as well. And I'm supposed to film where I'm packing, but I literally don't know if I should do that because it's going to be very, very stressful. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll probably film that. I need to also let you guys know that I'm doing night shifts this week. So it's like going to be very, very stressful. It's going to be very, very stressful because I am going to be doing 4 to 5 days and I need like space to really rest before I leave. So I don't know how I'm going to do that, but it's fine. We're going to wing it. I literally need to make this trip. I need to see my friends. I need to, you know, meet my people and I need to show up my people as well. So yeah, going to see all about that in this vlog. Also, I what else I want to talk to you guys about? I need to find someone to cover for me and it's been hard, but I think I'm still going to find someone to cover for me while I'm not going to be at work. But yeah, we are going to be using bus because oh my gosh, flight tickets are so expensive. So I already booked that and we're going to be leaving. Clock it. So I'm so excited. It's going to be a fun vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and yeah, I'll see you guys in the rest of the vlog. Enjoy the vlog. Jesus Christ. Isn't it? Because she said exactly because she cannot change to ask it. Yeah, which side they look for? And then he has somebody that is my loves, good morning. This is day 3 of my night shift. I literally wasn't able to sleep the previous day after my night shift for day 2 and it affected me because I had to go and make my hair and the hair took longer than I was anticipating. And after that, I got to my house and it started raining and I had to sleep. I wasn't able to sleep for so long because I got a bad news that really affected me and just took away the sleep I wanted to sleep. So I had to make some calls, I had to do some stuff. So the night shifts I've been having have been very busy. I don't even have words to quantify how busy they've been, but they've been very intense. And honestly, it has been really annoying, but not like annoying. It has been really daunting or tasking for me, and my body has been going through it. But I have a lot of stuff I need to do. Oh my god, thinking about it now is making me so scared and so anxious and so nervous, but I have a lot of stuff that I want to do. But first of all, I want to update you guys on a few things. Hairstylist, I'm really very grateful to her. She tried her best to make me happy, and this was a free appointment because she wanted to cover up for all the lapses that we've been having with the previous two hairstyles I made. So this is the hairstyle I made, and beautifully, the hairstyle I was supposed to make for the wedding is like, because I'm a bridesmaid at the wedding, so the hairstyle I was supposed to make is like a packing gel. My hair is natural, so you cannot really do a packing gel, so this is perfect for like an updo. So yeah, I'll be traveling tomorrow morning. I just hope I'm able to finish all my duties in time. I've already gotten someone to cover for me. I was thinking I was going to stay for a longer period of time, but I couldn't get someone to cover for me for other days of work, so I'm going to be leaving early Sunday morning. So I'm going to be traveling on Friday, which is tomorrow, and leaving on Sunday. So I'm going to be spending just less than 48 to 72 hours. On what else? I cut my nails short because I hated how they were looking. They were really looking like very long and very awkward, and they were not allowing me, do daily tasks, and I was working as well, so I had to cut it short, and I think I like it this way. I prefer it this way because it's easier for me to do tasks. So I need to pack today because I'm traveling tomorrow morning. I want to pack, I want to sort out my things in the house, I want to make sure I finish all the food in my fridge. And then I also, the bed making some noise in the background, I also want to just sort out my life so far in my house. This bed is interrupting me. And then just arrange my things, make sure everything is arranged and ready, and then I'm going to travel. I really hope I make it because my travel time is by 6:45 a.m. and I'm supposed to leave here by 6 a.m. I've already gotten someone to cover for me, so I really hope I make it to the bus stop early, and I'm supposed to pack under 10 kg or within 10 kg. So yeah, I just finished my night shift and I finished my ward rounds. I want to just quickly pack my stuff. As you can see over there, they're a bit messy and my eyes are red. I have some eye bags, but you might not really be able to see them very clearly. So I want to pack my stuff. I want to go home right now. I'm not going to eat much, but I want to boil rice. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys through all of that because I have a lot of things to do, but I'll try my best to take you guys through it if I can. Boil rice, make something to eat, pack food, clear my fridge, and just make sure my things are in order. I also have some logistics stuff to do, some emails to send, some voice notes to read, some messages to reply. I uploaded a YouTube video early yesterday and I edited it for the past 3 days. Oh my god, I was so exhausted from that video, but so far I'm loving the fact that you guys like it. I am not going to sleep because if I sleep, I'm not sure we'll be able to finish everything we're supposed to do before coming back for night shift later this night. So yeah, we have a long day ahead of us, so come on, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm in the apartment. I wanted to just quickly just you guys what happened. Literally, I I got dropped. I arrived in because the wedding is in Enugu, so I arrived in Enugu very late. And after I got back, I had to go and check for my clothes. So I went to my tailor's place and found out that there were some amendments to do. So basically, we did the amendments, and then I went to my friend's place. She picked me up, and then from there we got to this place. This is the apartment we'll be staying for the bridal shower and then preparing for the wedding. So I'm not staying here for a very long time. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe I should do on this camera. But yeah, this is how the bathroom looks like. This is how the bedroom looks like. This is my friend. She's lying down. She's making a call. So actually, I'm not going to stay here for a long time because I'll be traveling back on Sunday. So yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Who is that? Okay.
Oh my god. What do you want to say to the camera?
Watch this space.
That's what you're waiting for. That's cute. Bright and early. It's wedding day. My wedding day is my friend's wedding. So excited for her. She started her makeup. But yeah, we're going to see her later when she's the wedding. I love the makeup. It came out very well. So yeah, let's go and celebrate love.
Let me tell you what you are doing. The following letter. Let's say
Hey, you see that it's not fair.
It's better to buy the smaller plate.
Cut you a minute. Thank you, minute. Because I know you know what's your son name now, Seth? That's
So that last one she put was not too much. Because I know what food is.
yeah. What
To be nice.